Rob, you've said before that we need a crypto recession. I've never really heard anyone say that. What do you mean by that?
Well, this is great because this is, again, not very popular, but it has to happen because the projects that are out there, if you really take a real look at them, like what do they do? And how stable are they? And really, are they just here for a cash grab? I can tell you, if you really dive deep into a lot of them, you'll see that that is exactly what it is. So now we have, first of all, we were at $3.2 trillion market cap. That was one of the higher points. And that was in May 2021. Now we are below $1 trillion market cap. And a lot of these smaller cap type of projects, they are just kind of sitting there with liquidity. They're not really doing anything. They're pulling people in. And I don't think they're actually here to actually build and get the rails going to actually give us to that next level. So when I say there needs to be a recession, I think these projects that are just there, I think a lot of them need to go away. And if they don't go away, I think what will really help is regulation. And again, we know that regulation is coming whether we like it or not. So we have to accept it. Give me the rules of what I need to do so I can bend the rules and then just go from there. So if I have all these different, if I have the SEC coming in, and they say, look, these are securities. You need to register with the SEC. You need to fill all this paperwork. You're going to get our lawyers involved. You're going to have to actually pay up a bunch of money to actually get this whole project going. A lot of those projects, they're not going to make it. So what they're going to do is that they're going to fall away, or what I think is most likely to happen is what happened with Amazon in the early 2000s. They're going to say, look, we got a lot of capital here. We want to buy up these warehouses. We want to buy up Zappos. We want to buy up these companies and just absorb these other entities to become even bigger. And I think that's what's going to happen with some of these top 10, top 20 cryptos. They're going to say, look, we need developers. We need brain power. We need the things that you guys are doing, maybe not too well. And we want to absorb you into our ecosystem. And I think that is why we need a recession, so we can just solidify and we can come back stronger. And that's where I think all the growth really does come from.